Now, your Storm Track 9 weather.
I got my car washed just yesterday. It's been beautiful weather this
That's
weekend.
right. You know, we're almost to the point now where most people, if we took a poll, most people would want to have spring come on. Snowmobilers, you had a pretty good season this year, cross-country skiers, but I think most people are starting to turn the tide. Let's bring on spring. Certainly was a spring-like day today. The sun is just about to set. What a beautiful view from our 3rd Street Lifestyle Center camera looking to the west. Few clouds on the horizon, but those are not threatening any significant weather to come across the area, so let's just enjoy the fact that our March has arrived so mild. Current temperature readings across the Great Badger State generally in the 40s. Still a few upper 30s out there as we just saw at the beginning of the newscast, and some 50s to the south, 50 at Madison, 56 in Milwaukee. But just to the northwest of us, there's somewhat cooler air. Nothing bitterly cold, but a little bit cooler. Temperature readings right now in the 30s, even some upper 20s to the west of Wisconsin, even as right now it's 66 in St. Louis, 57 in Chicago, I'm sure, and even in Kansas City it's mild. I'm sure making those people think about the start of the baseball season. There's a weak cold front that will be pushing across the state later this evening and tonight. It's mainly going to come through with some cloud cover and a slight shift in the wind more to the west-northwest. It will bring us a slightly cooler day Monday, but not to bring us much in the way of snowfall. So our forecast tonight will call for mostly cloudy skies, staying mild though. In our area, lows ranging from 21 to 26 degrees, west wind at around 10 miles per hour. High today in Wausau so far at 49 degrees, 51 in Wisconsin Rapids. There were a few locales in the southern part of the News 9 coverage area with low 50s highs today. Otherwise, it was a pleasant day. The sunshine, winds a little bit breezy at times, but I've not heard any complaints about that. What's the March outlook? Well, this is from the Climate Prediction Center, the branch of the National Weather Service that makes the longer range forecast. And currently the month of March forecast is showing above average conditions for much of the eastern 2/3 of the U.S. This doesn't mean we're going to have record-setting warmth. It just means that on average temperature readings might turn out to be a little bit warmer than usual. And our March precipitation outlook shows equal chances that we could have above or below average precip. And even if we don't have much, it would be good because we need to transfer from winter to spring, melt all the snow that we have out there and not have a lot of flooding this spring. Our high temperature tracker for Wausau shows that we're going to be doing pretty well this week. Highs in the 30s, even some low 40s. The average high for early March in Wausau is in the low to mid 30s. So we're going to be at or slightly above average, including even next Sunday when we're reaching a high of 47 degrees. The good news is we don't have much precipitation on the way this week. Now by morning tomorrow we'll still have some lingering cloud cover. That should part some. Partly cloudy afternoon expected. A weak low pressure system will track southeastward over the state tomorrow night into Tuesday. Should bring chance of a few snow showers, especially to the north of Wausau, maybe mixing with a few drops of rain in the afternoon. But not a lot is expected. That's the good news. That system will move out the rest of the day. Another one will come in with some light precipitation on Thursday. Your bus stop forecast Monday, out the door to work and school at 7 a.m. Looking pretty good. Generally cloudy skies, but low to mid 20s and not much of a chill to start the day. A little bit cooler tomorrow afternoon, partly cloudy skies in the area. Low 30s for highs to the north of Wausau, low to mid 30s to the south, with west wind at around 10 miles per hour. We'll have that chance of some light precip on Tuesday. Again on Thursday, some wind off and on, but this is March, you know. And then we turn noticeably warmer again next weekend.